The offshore waters forecast for south of Long Island between Montauk Point and Sandy Hook, up to 1,000 fathoms. Storm warning. Today, north winds 35 to 50 knots becoming northwest 35 to 45 knots in the afternoon. Seas 14 to 24 feet, highest south. Rain. Tonight, northwest winds 30 to 40 knots. Seas subsiding to 11 to 18 feet, highest southeast. Monday, northwest winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas subsiding to 6 to 11 feet. Monday night, west to northwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 5 to 9 feet. Tuesday, west winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas subsiding to 3 to 5 feet. Tuesday night, west to southwest winds 10 to 15 knots becoming southwest 15 to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Wednesday, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas building 4 to 6 feet. Wednesday night, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Thursday, south winds 5 to 15 knots increasing to 15 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 6 feet. Thursday night, south winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas building to 6 to 10 feet. The offshore waters forecast for south of New England between the Great South Channel and Montauk Point, up to 1,000 fathoms. Storm warning. Today, north winds 45 to 60 knots becoming northwest 40 to 55 knots in the afternoon. Seas 12 to 18 feet building to 15 to 25 feet, highest south. Visibility occasionally less than 1 nautical mile, in blowing spray and rain. Tonight, northwest winds diminishing to 30 to 40 knots. Seas 14 to 23 feet subsiding to 9 to 16 feet. Chance of showers. Monday, northwest winds diminishing to 20 to 30 knots. Seas 8 to 14 feet. Monday night, northwest winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 6 to 11 feet. Tuesday, west winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas subsiding to 3 to 6 feet. Tuesday night, southwest winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Wednesday, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 6 feet. Wednesday night, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots becoming west to southwest 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Thursday, south to southwest winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Thursday night, south winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas building to 7 to 10 feet. The offshore waters forecast for Hudson Canyon to Baltimore Canyon, up to 1,000 fathoms. Storm warning. Today, north winds 40 to 50 knots diminishing to northwest 30 to 40 knots. Seas 14 to 24 feet, highest southeast. Scattered showers and chance of thunderstorms. Tonight, northwest winds 30 to 35 knots diminishing to 20 to 30 knots. Seas subsiding to 7 to 14 feet. Monday, northwest winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas subsiding to 6 to 9 feet. Monday night, west winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 4 to 8 feet. Tuesday, west winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Tuesday night, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots increasing to 15 to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Wednesday, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 6 feet. Wednesday night, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots, becoming west to southwest 5 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Thursday, south winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 7 feet. Thursday night, south winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 6 to 10 feet. Here is the forecast. Wind advisory in effect until 6 p.m. this evening.